The conditions for cloud in South Africa have certainly changed over the past 4 to 5 years, and they have improved, and we are seeing more uptake of cloud-based solutions.
They are finding ways of making it more secure for prospective customers, but also to look at it from a pricing point of view, to make it more palatable for organizations to move towards the cloud.
The biggest considerations that contact center managers need to take into account are really evaluating the field and looking to see what is out there in the market, because there's a vast difference in offerings in terms of functionality, in terms of the way it can be deployed, and in terms of integrating to their own in-house systems. You're really looking for a vendor that can offer you multiple deployment modes, whether it be a hybrid or a private cloud or a public cloud.
We're starting to see that the vendors providing specifically cloud services, cloud software, are also sort of maturing in that marketplace. They're dropping their prices are coming down, so bandwidth prices are coming down, software solution prices or services are coming down, and we're starting to see a lot more experience. So that risk is starting to be mitigated within that marketplace. But the key thing is, it's there, it's happening, it's getting better, it's being adopted in South Africa, it's being adopted in Africa. We're starting to see the interest, we're starting to see the growth in that marketplace, and we're starting to get a lot of success stories out of that right now.
One of the key questions companies need to consider is how are they going to use cloud to enable other functions and not just focus on the cloud elements themselves. The other aspect to consider, which is true of a lot of the trends in ICT at the moment, so you're talking cloud, big data, mobility, is that actually if you integrate those things effectively, that they just add that much more value rather than sort of a piecemeal approach.
Make sure that when you deploy these multi-channel strategies that you don't start creating more and more siloed channels within the organization. Make sure that there's a seamless integration, make sure that there's a common platform where you can collect information about the customer, and of course be able to then provide better customer service, move towards that first call resolution kind of platform that you're looking at, and that's a key driver in most of the contact center customer service areas.
The presentation this morning centered around just giving the audience a look and feel as to who we are as Interactive Intelligence. So the whole presentation centered around how are we positioned for cloud adoption and how are our products fitting into that mold as far as cloud offerings are concerned.
At Interactive Intelligence, we provide the greatest breadth of contact center offering here in the cloud in South Africa and worldwide. We're a proven provider for over 8 years of delivering cloud services with a mature product over 20 years old. We have the experience, the product, and the capabilities of personnel to deliver your cloud solutions today.